Hey, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the rich text editor to make your calendar look like this in GoHighLevel. Now, as you can see in this example, we have a calendar for a marketing coaching business that's doing 30 minutes of appointments, and they have mentioned all this description on the left, which we will learn how to do this formatting in GoHighLevel. Now, as you can see on the left side, we have a headline here to draw attention, and then we have some bullet points that explain in detail what the person can expect from this appointment. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see we have a highlighted text, which is a really important notice that there's a $200 deposit for this. Now, this can be a good idea to pre-qualify people and only make sure that people who are serious are showing up to your calendar. And then you can also see some more options like adding a booking policy or adding your website here, which can help people give more information about any questions they have. And again, this will save you time when you actually jump into the meeting. So now that we are familiar with this formatting, let's dive into GoHighLevel and see how we can do it. All right, so you just have to make sure that you're in your GoHighLevel sub account, and then under calendars, you can click on calendar settings right here, and then just choose your calendar, or you can create a new one if you don't have any. I'm just going to use this one for now and click on edit. Then under the meeting details, you will see that we have a description text box where we have all these rich text formatting options. Now, these are pretty self-explanatory, but I'll quickly show you what kind of things we can do. So as you can see, we have the bold, italic, and underline options that are usually there in the rich text editor. And then we have a strike text option, which is usually good for using comparison. So let's say you want to showcase that you have a discount. So you can say usually 400, and then you just select that text and then click on strike. So that way they know they're getting it for discounted price, which can be helpful in some cases. And then you can also add links just like I have done here. So let's say you have a booking policy for the deposits, just like adding that it's non-refundable or something like that. You can easily select a text and then you can click on add link. And then you can basically change out the URL. You can also select if that link should open in that same window or maybe a new window, so you can easily do that. Then another useful feature we have here is the format all document. Now this can be helpful when you're copying text across from different places, so you can clear the formatting so that you have a nice start. And then we have options like text color and text highlight. Text highlight is this one right here. So as you can see, I've highlighted that in green. But if you just want to change the text color, you can easily do that by just going here. And as you can see, it just changed it right away. So this can help you do the right kind of branding for your business. Then we have the text type. As you can see on the top, if I select this text, this is heading 5 right now. So you can easily change it from here. And then the last few options we have is the text alignment. You can easily switch that. And then we have bullet points, which can help you put your text just like this in a more organized manner. So that was about this video. Again, it's a pretty basic feature, but it can be really, really helpful because if you use the calendar descriptions the right way with good formatting, it can help you convey the right kind of information before your appointments, so you get less questions and more qualified people in your appointments. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below and we'll get back to you.